Good morning, dear students. Welcome to SST class, and our chapter 13 is Food, Festivals, Films, and Games. So, before starting this chapter, my question is, why do we want food? Why do we need food? So, food nourishes our body, and you will also say food gives us energy, right? Next is festivals. As you can see in the heading here, festivals. So why do we celebrate festivals? Because festivals bring us closer. We celebrate festivals with our friends, with our relatives, with our society. So they bring us closer to each other. Now third is films. Films are the means of leisure and educate children. Games are to inculcate the team spirit and competitiveness. Why games are important? Because they give us the feeling of team spirit, and films give us knowledge also, and they are the source of entertainment also. So all these are essential for the overall growth of children, right? Why food, festival, films and games are important? Why we are discussing about, why we are reading about food, festival, films and games? Because these things are very important for the overall development of a child, right? So let's start. First is, in the recent past, it has been seen that the role of food, festival, films, and games are quite crucial in developing a young into an enterprising person. As you know, for a healthy body, good food, clean air, clean water, and good sleep are needed. In the same way, food, festival, films, and games are integral part of our life, and they teach us to be socialized. जिस तरह से हमारी बॉडी के लिए, हेल्दी बॉडी के लिए फूड, फ्रेश एयर, क्लीन वाटर, गुड स्लीप, दीज थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, उसी तरह से लाइक दैट festival, films and games are also essential to be socialized. Right now we will read foods in India. As you already know, India is famous for its spices. Earlier in chapter War of Struggle, we already studied about India is well known for its spices. So India is known for its food all over the world. There are thousands of restaurants which serve Indian food. Anywhere in the world, whether New York to London, you can eat a biryani or can have a dosa. This is not surprising, as Indian food is very tasty and is enjoyed all over the world. From our early days, India has been known for its great variety and high quality of spices. People from many countries cover distances of thousands of miles to buy spices of our country. Yes, this is very true. They bought goods from their own countries and exchanged these goods for chilies, cardamom, pepper, turmeric, and other spices. These spices have made Indian food rich, tasty, and colorful, and also have made Indian food very popular worldwide. Indian food is a as varied as exciting as its people. जितने कि यहाँ के लोग varied है, exciting है. In this way, food is also like that. Most people in India eat rice. Most of the people eat rice. Rice is the staple food. Staple means जो बहुत ज़्यादा खाया जाता है. Rice can be boiled or fried. Yes. Your mother also cooked boiled rice, fried rice. So there is variety of rice. Rice can also be ground into flour and made into idlis, dosa and number of other dishes. You can make flour of rice. आप चावल के आटे से इडली बना सकते हो, डोसा बना सकते हो, and so many other things are there that you can prepare, you can cook from rice flour, right? Likewise, rice in northern part of the country, the staple food is wheat, and chapatis or rotis are made from wheat. Along with this basic food people eat with roti or chapati, what do you eat? Wheat, dal, chutney, curd, vegetable curry, etc. Right? Now, next page. Curry is eaten all over India, but its preparation varies a great deal from place to place. Yes, curry, all over the India, people used to eat curry, but making of recipe is different. Some people eat some of the parts people eat hot curry with many more chilies, and in some places people use meat in making curry. So there are different ingredients that make that are used in making curry, and also according to ingredients the taste also differ, right? On some occasions special foods are prepared. If there is some special occasion, like there is Diwali, there is festival, or there is Holi, So a special dish is also prepared, like on Holi people used to prepare gujia, and on Eid people used to prepare sevai. This is their special dish. Friends, relatives and other guests gather in one place and have a huge meal is set out before them. उनके लिए खाने के लिए बहुत एक बड़ी थाली सजाई जाती है. As you can see in the picture, there is a थाली जिसमें variety of food is there, and after having lunch or dinner, people serve them sweet dish like rasgulla or halwa, and after that we serve pan, right? Now just like different type of foods are there, the ways of eating is also different. The traditional way to eat Indian food is to eat with your fingers, as you have observed in langars or bhandaras लोग हाथ से खाते हैं, और some of the people eat, basically the main tradition is to use your fingers in India. In China and Japan people use chopsticks, and in western countries they use a knife and a fork, right? Indian food is eaten on a leaf plate at weddings and other celebrations. As you can see here, Indian food is served on leaf in weddings also, and some people used to eat on leaf also. Why? There is one benefit also. क्लीनिंग जो बाद में क्लीनिंग का काम रह जाता है वो उसमें ख़त्म हो जाता है, right? This way of eating means that there is less washing up to do at the end of the meal. Now availability of Indian foods. Food in India is cheap and easily available, right? If you want to eat out, there are thousands of small restaurants, cafes and dhabas. अगर आपको खाना खाना है तो आपको इंडिया में बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स, ढाबाज, सब कुछ मिलेगा. If you have, you can't even imagine, you can eat, you can fill your tummy in 10 rupees also, and you can, if you want to enjoy a food, you can eat in 5,000 also, right? So you can eat in 10 rupees also, and you can eat in 5,000 also. Now festivals. A festival is celebrated because people are happy to remember some events which took place in the past. Why do we celebrate festivals? First thing, they bring us closer, and second, people happy to remember some events such as Diwali. Why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because on that day Lord Rama came back to Ayodhya after an exile of 14 years. Some festivals are connected with religious events. As we know, some festivals are religious, some are national festivals, some are seasonal festivals. You can say seasons, like festival in India are celebrated frequently. Not a week goes up by without some festivals being celebrated in some corner of India. So first of all we will read about religious festivals like Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. Oil lamps and electric lights are lit, and crackers or fireworks are set off. Diwali is the celebration of Lord Rama's return to the kingdom of Ayodhya after having spent 14 years in the forest. This is one of the most popular Hindus festival of India. Next is Holi. This is spring festival. As I told you, some festivals are seasonal festivals. This is a spring festival. It is full of colors. Third is Dussehra. This festival, we celebrate this festival on the victory of good over evil. On that day, Ram killed Ravan. Lord Rama killed Ravan. This festival is called Navratri in the south and Durga Puja in West Bengal. Then is Eid ul-Fitr. This is a Muslim festival. For a whole month, Muslim people do not eat any food during the daytime. The fast begins with the appearance of the new moon, and the month is called Ramzan. When the next new moon appears, Eid is celebrated and people exchange greetings. They pray at the Eidgah, wear new clothes and also eat a sweet dish, right? Next is Eid-e-Milan. It celebrates the birthday of Prophet Muhammad. Next is Christmas and Easter. These are two Christian festivals. Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Easter in April is the time when Christians believe that Christ, after dying on the cross, came back to life again. Right? Now next is Guru Purab. The Sikhs celebrate the birthday of their gurus as these occasions. Guru Purabs, Budh Purnima, a Buddhist festival celebrating Mahatma Buddha's birthday. Navroz, it is celebrated by the Parsis as their new year. As we are going to celebrate new year on 1st January, so Persians celebrate new year by the name of Navroz. Next is Mahavir Jayanti, a Jain festival celebrating the birth of Lord Mahavira. There are over 100 of other festivals such as Ganesh Puja, Pongal, Onam and many other religious, local and tribal festivals. Food, dance, drama and prayer all have their place of festivals time in India, right? So read this chapter till this only, and we will discuss remaining chapter further. Till then, bye, take care.